Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share Cajun spice buttery roasted potatoes. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. For that, here I have taken some red and yellow potatoes. Cut potatoes in quarters using a sharp knife, about an each. Transfer the potatoes into a large mixing bowl. Add some butter, onion powder, freshly crushed garlic, some Cajun seasoning, red chili flakes, a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of oil, and give everything a good mix. Once everything is well combined, we will add that into the air fryer basket. Make sure to spread everything in a single layer. Now set the air fryer at 380 Fahrenheit on air frying mode for 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes are up, open up the air fryer and toss everything. Close the air fryer, and next I'm going to be using this max crisp mode for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let's open up the air fryer now. Our potatoes are looking nice, golden and crisp from outside, and they are tender from inside. Now let's serve this. For serving into the plate, I am taking some fresh coriander with few drops of lime juice, and then transfer the potatoes into the plate. Give everything a good mix. Now they are ready to be served. You can see nice golden and crisp outside layer. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If so, don't forget to hit like button to this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon with the next recipe.